BA Performance. Let's start by firing up the Dodge here real quick. Okay, so what happens is if I let off the gas, the truck will die. So what I've been told is that a fix to that is it's the idle air control valve. Now I replaced that once a few years ago, but I don't think it really has that many miles on it. So I'm going to pull it out and clean it and see if that fixes or helps the problem we're having here. Alright, the idle air control valve is on the back side of the throttle body here. So we're going to remove the hat so we have better access. On the back side is two T25 Torx. Okay, disconnect the wiring harness at your convenience, and once you have the two bolts out, you can pull the idle air control valve out. And I don't know if you can see, but it's pretty dirty. Okay, to clean it, I'm going to use some electric cleaner and soft bristle brush. You could probably use brake clean or degreaser or something, but I'm going to try this and see how good it works. Okay, I think I got a large amount of the stuff off of it. So, and out from inside of there. So let's reinstall it and give it a shot. Okay, it's still dying on me right after I started up, so I have one more idea. So I have an extra engine here that has idle air control on it right there, and I know this engine didn't have that problem, so I will pull this one off and we're going to try that one. I'm going to get a little better view. T25 there, T25 there. Okay, the new used unit is installed. Let's give it a test and see if it starts. Or not if it starts, but let's see if it idles. It's working. It idles. Let's have a look down in there, see if that valve is open or something. Watch out for the serpentine belts here. Yeah, it's nearly impossible to see, but you can see that the valve is sucked in there. So that's how you can tell, I guess, if it's working. Alright guys, thanks for watching this episode on how to change your idle air control valve on your 5.9 liter Magnum. I'm glad it worked out and I didn't have to buy a new one. Luckily had that junkyard one, so cool. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, share.
share this with your friends, and peace out.
Broadcast performance is what it stands for.